Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for keep watching. I so appreciate it. So today, as you can tell by the title, is baby food challenge. So let's get into it. Morning everyone. So to start off with the challenge, we'll start with apples and blueberries. Couldn't find anything else like breakfast because, well, I did, but it was like all in bulk, nothing like small. So there you go. Don't have much of a taste to it really. Can't smell anything. Oh, they look so big. Cool. It tastes like weird cheese puffs.
That's sweet.
Why are they so dry? It's strawberry and banana. So I've had my breakfast and I had my snack. The clip you just saw before, I was in uni. That's why I didn't really explain what I was doing. But now I'll be having my lunch. Trying to heat it up in hot water. So we have bolognese. Oh, the top didn't heat up properly. That's a bit. I'm gonna turn it around for a little bit longer. So now it has heated up, I think a bit more. Now I'll be having my lunch. Oh. I don't like that sound like that. It sounds very tomatoey. I don't really like tomatoes like that. Can you not see? Oh. I'm actually really scared to eat it. And no flavour. It was really no flavour. I need to heat up a bit longer. Don't taste. I don't like that. So now I'm gonna have something else for my snack. I remember my cousin used to have these when she was little and I used to always eat them. So hopefully it's still the same. Yeah. I like these. These are the only things so far that I really like. These are good. So now it's much later and I'm gonna have my dinner. I've just heated it up. Quite warm. Sweet potato mash and chicken. Don't like some of these. Don't know how babies eat these. Really don't. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually not normally like scared to try stuff, but I don't know why I'm so scared to try stuff today. Okay. I think that's a good amount for a first time try. Oh, I can smell his peas. Oh my god. It tastes like slime. Maybe if I had some salt and pepper, some seasoning, then maybe So I need to add some seasoning for me to finish this. Okay, so I have to add salt and pepper for me to finish that. And now I'll be having my dessert. I'm hoping this is nice, but I don't really like peach. It's peach, mango, banana, apple. I never picked this. I think my mum picked me this. And then my flatmate who lives downstairs picked me my dinner, and then my mum picked me my lunch. I only picked the snacks. So, now let's try this. So, let's try it. Why do they all look the same colour? I don't get it. What? Oh, I can smell peach. Really, that's disgusting. I don't know if you lot even saw that on the camera. Hold on, wait. I don't think I'm gonna do that lump. Because now it's all watery. Now it's all water. That is disgusting. That's pretty alright. That's too much peach. No, I don't like that. So that is the baby food challenge done for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell button. And let me know what type of videos you'd like to see. Thank you, bye.